Everyone, Amtrak and CSX we're here, and we got Amtrak Lakeshore 48, close to like 12:04. I heard him just trying to warn us just now before the camera hit. He has a nice K5 LA on him, it sounds like. He's probably going a bit slow here because he's falling behind the Amtraks that went by in the previous, so he shouldn't be going too fast, because the Amtrak was going pretty slow. Led by 98, great K5 LA. I also caught that unit other times, like on 63, the Maple Leaf before, on the Maple Leaf ones as well, and another time on the Lakeshore Limited. Yeah, there he goes.